House is tight, phone is light, wishing you had something funny. Your balance low, don't know what to do. When daddy finds something fun to his little brother, big sister, and the mom and the dad. If everyone to go somewhere else, I'm loving this place from here to there. I'm loving, but I can never stay. But
2. What happened?